Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to create a pop-up survey with a contact form that can be used to build a mailing list. And you can use this service called InstaWP to quickly launch your own disposable WordPress environment. And it has amazing features even with the free version. And the pro version is also quite affordable. So check out their website at instawp.io. So to begin, from your dashboard, go over to the left and click QSM. So this is the QSM dashboard. If you have not installed Quiz and Survey Master, there is a link in the description that shows you how to install and set up the plugin, as well as how to create your first quiz or survey. So from this page, click Extend QSM with Pro add-ons. Alright, so on this page, we have three different pricing plans. So you have the option to purchase multiple add-ons, or you can scroll down to select an individual add-on to purchase. So we are looking to click Simple Pop-ups once we find it. Alright, so on this page, this is where you can choose the number of sites for which you want to purchase this add-on. Once you're done, click Add to Cart. So once you have added this add-on to your cart, you just want to follow the checkout process, and once you're done, you will receive your license key as well as a link to download your add-on. Next, you will need to set up the add-on. So go back to your dashboard, hover over Plugins, then click Add New. Then click Upload Plugin. So you can either click this button to browse the file on your computer, or you can simply drag and drop from your download location to this box. Then click Install Now. Alright, once you're done, click Activate Plugin. Okay, so let's install the license key. Go over to QSM, hover, then click Add-on Settings. Once this page opens, under Simple Pop-ups, next to Simple Pop-ups, click Settings. So now you need to enter your license key into this box. Then click Save Changes. Okay, so now you need to go over to Quizzes or Surveys. Alright, so we have a quiz and a survey. So we are going to use this work survey. So here we have 3 questions in our survey. And once again, if you do not know how to go ahead and create a survey or a quiz, there is a link in the description that will show you how to do so. Now you need to ensure that you have a contact form to collect information for your mailing list. Let's go to the Contact tab. Okay, so there is no contact form, so let's create one. Click Add New field. Here we have small open answer as the default choice. So we are going to leave it as small open answer, but we have some other options. For label, type name, used for name, and check required. Click Add New field. For the field type, choose email from the drop down. Email, label email, and used for email. Oops, email. Check required. Okay, so once you're done, click Save Contact Fields. Okay, so the contact form is now set up, and you can collect some more information by adding more fields, but this one is okay for now. So let's go over to the pop-ups tab on the left. Okay, so click Add New, and this is where you add a headline to your pop-up, but I'm just going to call this Sample Survey. Next, select which quiz or survey you want to use. So I'm going to use Work Survey. And this is where you select when to open the pop-up. So there's when a user clicks on a link or show after X seconds. So we're going to make this show after 3 seconds. So select the second one. And let's type 3 right here. Okay. So the shortcode will appear after we save the pop-up. So if we go back, we should see our shortcode. It's right here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to add this pop-up to a page using the shortcode. So all you need to do is highlight, then copy and paste. That is Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on Windows, or simply right-click, then click copy. Now let's create a new post. Here we just want to add a title. So I'm going to call this Sample Pop-up. So next, you need to find this button on the right hand side with the plus icon. Click this, then click shortcode. Okay, so here, paste your shortcode. All right, so let's just remove this space. Then click publish again, view post. And after 3 seconds, you should see your pop-up. So this is the survey, all 3 questions. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the other method, and that would be using the embed code. Okay, so under embed code, there's an icon. Click it. And here we can add a widget icon URL. So let's go back and open our media library in a new tab. So we have this icon here. Just copy the URL to your clipboard. Once you're done, go back, click the icon again, then paste your URL right here. Add a widget title. I'm going to call this sample. Next, you can change your background color, and you can also change your title color. Let's make this red. So next, you can configure your widget width and height. Let's make this 50% for both. So finally, there's the embed code that you can manually copy and paste or simply click the copy button. Once you're done, click save. Okay, so let's embed this widget into a post. Add a new post, then add a title. I'm going to call this sample pop-up. Embed. Next, at the bottom, you just want to add a new block. So let's add a block, then search for HTML. So click custom HTML and paste your code into this block. All right, so let's add some dummy content. I'm going to go over to lorem ipsum generator, and I just need maybe about 1 paragraph of dummy text. So I'm just going to copy this first paragraph here and go back to the text editor. So here, add a new block. A paragraph is fine. Paste it here, then move it up. Okay, click publish on the right, the top right. Publish again, then view post. Okay, so this is our post. On the bottom right hand corner, click the icon that we uploaded, and this is our pop-up. We have all of our questions here. So let me just quickly provide responses to this survey and click submit. Okay, so we have submitted the response, and here we have the name and email for our mailing list. So I really hope this helped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.